Hey guys, so today what I want to do for you is I want to make 2 of our fall and winter salads for our grad program. The first salad I'm going to make is our winter beet salad. I'm super excited for this one. It's going to be delicious. So to start, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make our dressing. Dijon mustard, some honey, some balsamic vinegar. Whisk that together. Now we're going to add some olive oil. We've got a beautiful balsamic vinaigrette. All right, and we're going to put that in a 2-ounce portion cup, plate it, and wrap it up for our grad program. Now this next step is super easy and simple. We're just going to assemble the rest of the salad. We're going to add our base, which is just this beautiful arugula and spinach mixture. To that, we're going to add a healthy portion of beets. Perfect time of season for these beets. They're in season. They're beautiful. We're going to add some walnuts, some feta cheese. Beautiful fall and winter beet salad. All right, guys, on to our next fall winter salad. This is our fall kale and cranberry salad. Apple cider vinegar. We're going to add some honey. We're going to add some Dijon mustard. All right, we're going to mix that together, and we're going to add our olive oil. So we've got some chopped up kale, some roasted sliced almonds. Now with these, I just did a little oil, salt, pepper, and roast them in the oven for about 10 minutes. All right, and now we're gonna add our cranberries. Look at this. Fall cranberry and almond salad, almond and kale.